Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of three CAD software options, Plasticity, Freecad, and Solidworks. Let's break down each one and see which one is best for your needs. First up, we have Plasticity. Designed for concept artists, it uses NURBS for fast, intuitive 3D modeling. Its unique gizmos and shortcuts make sculpting shapes feel like working with clay. It's great for quick, creative designs, but can feel less precise and lacks advanced parametric features. It's ideal for 3D printing and game modeling, and it's priced at a one-time fee of around $149 for the indie license. Next, we have Freecad. This open source parametric 3D modeler is free and highly customizable with Python scripting. It supports mechanical engineering, architecture, and more with workbenches for specific tasks. However, its interface can be clunky and the learning curve is steep. It's perfect for hobbyists and budget-conscious users. Lastly, we have Solidworks, the industry standard for professional CAD. It excels in parametric modeling, large assemblies, and advanced simulations like stress and thermal analysis. It's user-friendly but pricey, with licenses costing thousands annually. Best for mechanical and industrial design. So, how do they stack up? Let's see the chart. Pick Plasticity for quick, artistic 3D models, Freecad for free, flexible CAD on a budget, or Solidworks for pro-level precision in manufacturing. Choose based on your project needs and budget. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.